Hey, what's up guys? This is Vikas once again back with another tutorial, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create this type of flyover infographics in just PowerPoint. So as you can see here, I have created the two version of this one. Like I have created the first one like this, and the second one, as you can see here, in which I have uses the different colors and icons over here. So when we talk about this particular one, I simply created here and put some location icon over here. Basically it is a timeline infographics in which I'm showing the growth of any organization in different years. So I have used a black and yellow color combination for the road surface, and using the red location icon over here to make it more interactive and attractive. So for this one, when we talk about this particular one, I have used, like, I'm creating this flyover over a sea or a river. For the road surface, I have used the black and white color and the location icon, and for the location icon I have used the blue color so that it will match with the background color and give a pleasant look to our infographics. So this is overview of the infographics. And before start creating, I just want to request you, if you are watching this video for the first time and new on this channel and haven't subscribed this channel yet, then please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we upload a new video on this channel. So before wasting a time guys, let's get started. So just click on the insert option, and here you will find the new slide option over here. Just click on that. Here you will find a blank option. Just click on that to add a blank slide over here. So for now I'm going to create this one, and I think after doing this or after watching this video, you can create this one very easily. So I'm just going to create this particular one in this particular video. So now you have to click on the shape option. Here you will find a triangle option, means isosceles triangle option. You have to pick this particular triangle and drag it over here like this. Now shift this triangle like this and make it a little bit wider like this. So now what you'll have to do is you just have to make the shape outline no outline, and right click over this triangle and click on the edit point option. Here you will find the by default you find three black dotted actually. So what you'll have to do, you just have to pick or click on the topmost black dot and drag it over here. Now what I'm doing, you just have to see here, I'm just dragging this point outside of this particular slide. So you have to do the same. Okay, so drag it over here like this and drop. As you can click as you will click on this particular black dot, you will find the two adjustment handle over here. Like you can see, these are the adjustment handle, the first adjustment handle, and this is the second adjustment handle. So put the first adjustment handle like this. I have to drag this black dot something here. Okay, so drag this over here and click on this particular black dot and drag this particular dot over here. Okay, so now again click on this dot, adjust this, pick this adjustment handle and drag it over here. Now click on this dot and drag it like this. Now you have to make some adjustment over here so that you can achieve the required shape according to your infographics. So it will take some time guys, so you have to do it very carefully. And for now I'm just adjusting this while I'm making the videos faster so that we can save the time. Okay, remove this extra part over here. So click on the insert option, just choose a rectangle over here, drag it over here and put this rectangle over here on the first shape. like this. Now click on this shape and press Ctrl and click on this shape. Just click on the merge shape option and subtract this one. Now we are going to make the pattern of this road. Like I'm going to make these three shapes over here. So for this, I'm again going to choose the isosceles triangle over here. Just click on shape and choose the isosceles triangle over here. For now, I'm going to change the shape of this isosceles triangle to red. Later on, we will change the shape fill of this particular shape. So click on the shape outline option and make it no outline like this. Now put this shape over here and drag it, make it something bigger like this and drag it over here. Okay. Now right click over here and click on the edit point option, drag this point over here and make this adjustment to create the desired shape like this. So it's okay. Now click on this black handle and adjust the lower handle, adjustment handle like this. So now it's time to click on this particular handle and make the adjustment like this. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. So now again I'm going to copy this shape by pressing Ctrl D and put this shape over here like this. Okay, now right click over here, choose the edit point option and I'm going to drag it over here. Now make the adjustment like I'm going to adjust these two handles like this, and for this I'm going to adjust these handles like this. Put this shape over here like this. Now again I'm going to copy this shape by pressing Ctrl D over here, put this shape in the middle of these two shapes and adjust these shapes like this. Okay, now again choose the rectangle, drag a rectangle over here, just put this rectangle over the previous one, select this shape, control and select this shape and say subtract to remove these shapes. Now I'm going to choose the shape fill of this shape, like I'm going to choose this particular color for this, and now I'm going to choose these three shapes and making the shape fill of these three shapes like this, or I'm going to make it something darker, like I'm going to choose this one, this one. So now again click on the insert option, choose a rectangle option, just drag a rectangle over here, just rotate it like this and put this rectangle over here like this. Now select this shape, press Ctrl this and select all these smallest rectangle over here and click on the merge shape option and say subtract like this. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create this type of pillars over here. So for pillar, what you will have to do, you just have to click on the insert option, just click on the shape option, and here you will find a cylinder option over here. So just drag a cylinder over here. Now this is the first cylinder you have to put over here, send it to back, and for this I'm going to use a gradient fill option. So select these two handles and delete it. For this I'm going to make the shape outline no outline and the direction should be left to right like this. So I'm going to use a gray color for this, and for this I'm going to use a white color like this. I'm alternating this. So for this I'm going to use something more darker color like this one, and for this I'm going to choose this darker color over here, or we can choose a lighter color like this one over here. So put this over here, press Ctrl D, put this over here and send it to back. By right click over here you will find the option send to back. Just click on that, press Ctrl D again and make slightly smaller like this, and again I'm going to send it to back. Again press Ctrl D, make slightly smaller by pressing Ctrl and Shift together, drag it inward to make it smaller, right click over here and send it to back like this. Again press Ctrl D, press Ctrl and Shift together, drag it inward to make it smaller and send it to back by right click over here, click on the send it to back option like this. So this is the pillar I have created. Now I'm going to use duplicate this shape over here, this black shape over here, and choosing the color like this, and right click over here, just click on the format shape option. Here you will find a shadow option, effect option, just click on that. Here you will find a soft edges option, just click on that and make the soft edges like 10 points like this. Okay, so drag it over here and right click over here on this particular shape and send it to back like this. Okay, so I'm going to make this shape a little bit shorter and choosing the shape fill to this one so that you can see the shadow of this overbridge like this. Now for the background I'm going to right click over here, just click on the format background option. You will find a gradient fill option over here, just click on that, and for the left side, means for the right handle, I'm just going to use a white color over here, and for the right side I'm going to use something a light gray color like this. So this is the overall effect we want in this particular infographics. So now what we'll have to do is, this is completed. Now we have to add this text and this text over here and this particular icon. So I'm going to press Ctrl C and paste this over here, make this group, press Ctrl D to duplicate it and putting it over here like this. Again press Ctrl D, press Ctrl Shift together and drag it inward to make it smaller and put this over here. Before moving further, I'm going to adjust these shapes, like I'm going to make the text a little bit shorter, and this shape also going to make a little bit shorter like this. Okay, so now I just want to show you which type of text I'm using in this particular infographic. So you can see the caliber body and the size is 16. For this here I'm just using the square 720, which is my favorite. I'm using in this particular infographics. So for the icon, I have used download this icon from the flaticons.com. So this is the best website where you can visit and download this type of attractive icons and the color icons from there. So please, I'm just going to give the link of that website in my description box, so please check it out. So now you can see a base over here. So for base you can use the another shapes, like I'm going to copy this shape over here by pressing Ctrl D and making this shape a little bit wider, and put this shape over here and give this shape to back, again this shape to the back. Now you can see a base over here like this. Okay, so you can see a base over here, so you can use this base to all these pillars. So this is the overview of this infographics. So I think now you can create this infographics, and for now I'm just providing the free download of this particular download link of this particular infographics in my blog. So go there, check it out and download and use in your project. So this is the, and I don't think that I have to explain the explain the steps of creating this location icon over here. You can see here, let me show you how I have created this. You can see I have used a circle over here, a ring circle over here, and this shape over here. So I think you can create it very easily, guys. So that's why I'm not going to explain this, because the video become more longer and the users or the subscribers or the viewers will feel irritated while watching it. So this is the main reason that I'm not going to explain these simple steps. So that's all for today, guys. This is the overview of this tutorial. So that's all for today, guys. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye. Thank you very much for watching this video.